This is an IELTS sample answer. Keep practicing to build confidence. To try a mock test with these questions, watch our mock test video. The link to the PDF document is in the first comment. Want to improve your IELTS writing skills? Check out our new IELTS writing channel. Let's start off by talking about hotels. Do you like staying in hotels when you travel?
No, I don't. I prefer to spend the whole day exploring the city, trying different food, and talking to locals. For me, a hotel is just a place to sleep at night.
What do you usually look for when choosing a hotel?
I usually check location, cleanliness, and reviews. A hotel near public transport or attractions is ideal. Good customer service is also important, and I prefer places with free Wi-Fi and a comfortable bed.
Have you ever stayed in a really nice hotel?
Yes, once I stayed in a five-star hotel with amazing facilities in Thailand. The room was spacious and the staff were very attentive. The breakfast buffet was incredible and the swimming pool had a great view.
Do you prefer large hotels or small, family-run ones?
It depends on the trip. Large hotels offer more facilities like gyms and restaurants, but small, family-run hotels feel more personal and welcoming. I like both, but for longer stays, I prefer a quieter, smaller hotel.
How important is good customer service in a hotel?
It's essential. Friendly and helpful staff can make a stay more enjoyable. If there's a problem, good service ensures it's resolved quickly. Even a basic hotel feels better when the staff are polite and professional.
That's the end of part 1. Now we are going to move to part 2. In this part, you will have 1 minute to prepare and then speak up to 2 minutes. Describe a place full of color that you remember visiting. You should say, where this place is, when you visited this place, what it is like, and explain why you remember this place.
One place full of color that I vividly remember is New Delhi, India. I visited there with my friends during the Holi Festival March 2023. Holi is a festival that celebrates spring and the triumph of good over evil. It is one of the most exciting and vibrant festivals in India. The experience was truly unforgettable. The city came alive with joy, music, and an explosion of colors. The entire city was filled with excitement. Streets were packed with people dressed in white, eager to be covered in bright colors. Powders in pink, yellow, green, blue, and red filled the air, creating a breathtaking sight. My friends and I also wore white. We laughed and smeared colors on each other. Some strangers gave us water guns and balloons, making the celebration even more exciting. The sound of drums, traditional music, and cheerful voices echoed through the streets, making it impossible not to join in. What made this celebration special was the strong sense of unity. Strangers became friends as they played together. Tourists like us, from different cultures and backgrounds, came together and celebrated as one. The festival broke barriers and created a feeling of togetherness. The bright colors symbolized harmony, love, and the joy of life. I remember this place not just for its beauty, but for the emotions it created. The Holi celebration in New Delhi was a perfect blend of tradition, happiness, and human connection. Even now, thinking about the day fills me with warmth. It was truly one of the most unforgettable experiences of my life.
That's the end of part 2. Now we are going to move on to part 3. We'll continue discussing the topic of colors. How do colors influence people's emotions and behavior?
Colors can affect mood and perception. For example, blue is often linked to calmness, while red can create a sense of urgency or excitement. That's why fast food chains use red to encourage quick decisions. Similarly, hospitals use soft green or blue tones to create a relaxing atmosphere for patients.
Do you think people in different cultures have different attitudes towards colors?
Yes, colors can have different meanings across cultures. For example, in Western countries, white symbolizes purity, but in some Asian cultures, it is associated with mourning. Similarly, red represents luck in China, but can indicate danger in Western countries. These cultural differences affect traditions, fashion, and even branding choices.
How important is color in design, such as in clothing or interior decoration?
Color plays a key role in design as it sets the mood and creates atmosphere. In interior design, warm tones like orange make a space feel cozy, while white makes it look more spacious. In fashion, black is often chosen for formal events, whereas bright colors are preferred for casual wear.
Do you think businesses use colors strategically to attract customers?
Yes, businesses carefully choose colors to influence customer behavior. For example, restaurants use warm colors like red and orange to stimulate appetite, while luxury brands prefer black or gold to suggest exclusivity. Supermarkets also use bright yellow and red in promotions to grab attention and encourage impulse buying.
How has the use of color in technology and media changed over time?
Technology and media now use more vibrant and high-resolution colors to attract attention. Early websites had basic colors, but modern ones have stylish and interactive designs. Social media platforms also use specific colors, like Facebook's blue, to appear trustworthy. Video games and films now use advanced color grading to create immersive experiences.
That's the end of the speaking test. Good job.